I wanted to do a video on this because of the setup of it. It appears it mounts like this with your red, blue, and green. Here's the back. It appears that this side panel here, and this one in here are for the green. For the blue, appears you have this one and this pin here, which is right there. And then the red is right here. And is there a second one? Second red? Not exactly sure if there is a second red. Oh, right here in the back. So here's all your back. Maybe it's easier to do it this way. Here's all your back. It's the top one, which is green, blue, red, and then your front facing ones, blue, red, green's aside. There's a lot here. They're all there.